Hello, my fellow sovereigns. In this archive, we are decoding the ultimate concept of enrichment. This transmission is crafted as an educational, resourceful blueprint, an experimental feature designed purely for the elevation of our community. Today, we look beyond the material world to analyze what it truly means to be enriched across the spiritual, philosophical, and universal frameworks. In a universal sense, true enrichment is the act of expanding your narrow, everyday viewpoint into the broader, infinite scope of an ever-stretching universal consciousness. It requires a deliberate alignment with a deeper purpose to achieve absolute inner wholeness. This is the conscious cultivation of your inner architecture, shifting your focus away from external stimuli and endless consumption, and redirecting it entirely toward internal growth and maturity. Let us first examine the essence of philosophical enrichment. First, self-actualization. This is the raw realization and execution of your highest human potential. Second, the accumulation of wisdom. The rare ability to transform dense, everyday experiences into profound, timeless understanding. Third, value alignment. Intentionally living your life in strict accordance with higher virtues like justice, truth, and compassion. And fourth, the liberty of the soul. This is the process of freeing the mind and body from the repetitive, low-vibrational emotions of survival states. By severing ties with superficial societal conditioning, you effectively liberate your consciousness. Next, we transcend into the essence of spiritual enrichment. This begins with the expansion of consciousness, awakening the self to a fundamentally higher state of awareness. Through this, you secure a direct connection to the divine, strengthening your bond with the universal consciousness, the natural flow, and the interconnected energy of all things. This brings forth inner wholeness, nourishing the soul so completely that it no longer seeks or requires external validation. You begin to recognize a sacred interconnectedness, the undeniable truth that all living, sentient beings share a single spiritual essence and a unified energetic flow. By harmonizing your internal vibrational frequency, you adapt, evolve, and step into total unity and synchronicity. You become whole. You become complete. You become entirely one with the quantum field existing both within you and all around you. Ultimately, these are the sacred pathways required to enrich a person's soul. A deliberate focus on permanent growth, internal peace, and the timeless wisdom of the sages. If this archive resonated with your journey, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the platform for more content. As always, Sovereign Swan, signing out.